sagot yan ng Super Lotto 649. At dahil wala tayong jackpot winner last Thursday, tonight's jackpot prize is 55,817,497 pesos and 63 centavos, net of the agent's prize commission. Sir, please press that button and let's play Super Lotto 649. 49 balls numbered 1 to 49 na makita po ninyong hinahalo sa loob ng ating draw machine. 6 na bola ang hintay natin piliin, so good luck, Super Lotto players. And the first number, 14. Lotto winners, ingatan mabuti ang inyong Lotto tickets. Huwag babasain at huwag paplansyahin ng mga yan. Remember, kailangan ma-validate ang winning ticket sa pag-claim ng inyong premyo. The second number, 15. You can win 50 pesos if you match the 3 winning numbers drawn for the Super Lotto 649. The third number, 33. Kapag 4 winning numbers naman ang inyong nakuha, 1.2 million pesos ang premyong paghahatian. The fourth number, 40. At 1.3 million pesos will be equally divided to all who gets 5 winning numbers sa lucky winning combination. The fifth number, 2. Isang bola na lang ang hihintay natin para makumpleto na ang Super Million combination. Sana lucky number niyo nang mapili. And for the sixth and final number, we have 34. Again, here are the official winning numbers for the Super Lotto 649 draw. We have 14, 15, 33, 40, 2, and 34 in any order for the jackpot prize of 55,817,497 pesos and 63 centavos, net of the agent's prize commission. Coming up next is the Ultra Million Jackpot. Mga kalaro, wala ring jackpot winner last Friday and tonight's Ultra Lotto jackpot prize is 128 million pesos, net of the agent's prize commission. Once again, sir, please press that button and let's play Ultra Lotto 658. Lots of players, Ultra Lotto draw na. Kumpleto po ang 58 draw balls numbered 1 to 58 na nasa loob ng draw machine. 6 na bola pa rin ang pipiliin, so good luck po sa lahat ng my tickets. The first number, 16. Sa mga jackpot bearing games gaya ng Ultra Lotto, paghatian po equally ang jackpot. Sakaling dalawa o higit pa ang jackpot winners. The second number, 38. Kung makuha ninyo naman ang 3 sa 6 na nanalong numero, panalo kayo ng 100 piso. And to win, your numbers can come in any order. The third number, 47. 1.4 million pesos naman ang paghatian equally na mga makakakuha ng 4 out of the 6 winning numbers. The fourth number, 49. Kung mag-match ang 5 numbers ninyo sa winning combination, paghahatian ninyo ang 1.5 million pesos. The fifth number, 33. Isang numero na lang ang hintay natin para makumpleto na ang Ultra Million combination na may jackpot prize na 128 million pesos. And the sixth and final number is 46. Again, tonight's official Ultra Lotto 658 winning numbers in any order. We have 16, 38, 47, 49, 33, and 46 in any order for the jackpot prize of 128 million pesos, net of the agent's prize commission. Congratulations to our winners! Digit prizes coming right up.
Dito po sa 3D Lotto, 4,500 pesos ang panalo ng 10 piso ninyo kapag nag-match ang 3 numbers nyo sa mapipiling winning combination in exact order. 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos naman ang pwedeng mapanalunan kung nag-Rambolito System Play thrice daily ang 3D Lotto every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. At eto na po ang ating 3D Lotto winning numbers. The first number is 0. For the second number, we have 7. And the third number is 8. Muli po, ang ating 3D Lotto winning combination for tonight is 0, 7, and 8 in exact order. Diretso na tayo sa panalong dala ng 2 lucky numbers. It's time for the 9 p.m. edition of the 2D Lotto game. 2D Lotto players, 4,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang panalo kapag nag-match ang 2 numbers ninyo sa ating winning combination in exact order. Kung nanalo by the Rambolito System Play, 2,000 pesos ang take-home prize. Lotto winners, may 1 year kayo to claim your prizes. At nakapili na ng 2D Lotto winning numbers. For the first number, we have 1. And the second number is 18. Recapping the 2D Lotto winning combination for the 9 p.m. draw, we have 1 and 18 in exact order. Congratulations to all the winners.